Just wanted to do a short follow-up video to my non-functioning trunk pop. I'm shocked that a lot of the comments were like, did you Google it? Did you go on Forescan? Did you try holding the button? Did you try it with the key on? I'm like, I don't just go, oh, it doesn't work, help me out. I actually researched everything. I figured you would know that by me having all the wires isolated, wiring diagrams, testing them with the voltmeter and all that stuff. I'm kind of shocked that y'all would think that I just didn't even bother to turn the key on and stuff. So it does not work no matter what you do. Key on, engine on, running, holding the button down, double clicking the button, pressing the button, holding the remote, double clicking the remote. None of that stuff works. The remote, the only time it even shows any life at all is when I double click the trunk, the parking lights click on as if I have pressed the remote. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. You hold the button down, nothing happens. You single press, nothing happens. You press it 2 or 3 or 4 times, and you see the lights come on. So it's acknowledging that the signal has been sent, and everything else works. Lock the car, single unlock, all doors unlock, lock it, pan it. So everything's working on the remote, and like I said, it's acknowledging hitting the trunk. Looks like 3 presses is the magic number. I thought it was 2, but it's 3. But the trunk does not unlock. So it just seems like it's got to be something really weird. Maybe it is something in the Forescan programming, having to get in with all those 7 whatever numbers and changing those, because it's not in the stuff that's all in English, like when it says, you know, trunk release or whatever, active, inactive. Change all those, save those, you know, wrote to the computer everything, and nothing changes on it. And unfortunately, the topic is one that when you Google search and YouTube search and all that, the results are not really helpful. There's not much out there on these cars, apparently. Even like when I was searching to figure out how to remove this, most of the results were just how to reach in and twist out the bulbs. I finally found one where they showed how to get the actual housing out if you wanted to. Anyway, so hopefully that follows up a little bit. Maybe somebody will go, oh, I know what you need to check. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thanks in advance.